Yeah, first I have to show you guys how I did this flawless lace install, okay? No part, no middle part, no side part, just slick back with baby hairs. Okay, period. Number two, we're getting into an interesting shop talk, so stay tuned for both. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Asteria Hair. All right, they sent us a curly lace front unit that we're putting on our girl Junie today. Hey, Junie! And I need y'all to tell me one thing, okay? One thing. Do y'all like Junie's makeup? Cause I did it. Cause I'm a fake makeup artist. Ew. All right, back to this unit. Now, I have to point out that this wig is super dense and full. Like, it has to be like a over 200% density because it is really thick, y'all. Now, when you hear me mention a wig being super dense, I don't say that about all wigs, okay? So if I say that, just know that I'm saying it for a reason, and that's like low-key, like, you know what I'm saying? Code for this is one of the companies you need to buy from. So Junie is one of those clients that can really appreciate a slick back, okay? So today we are not doing a part at all, no middle part, no side part. We are pushing it straight to the back with dramatic swoopy baby hairs. All right, so before I started the video, I already applied her stocking cap. This is the medium brown from galaxygirlhair.com. And of course, I'm using my liquid lace glue that you can get from the website as well. Now, before you purchase it, use my special discount code LIQUIDLACE5, okay? The number 5 for $5 off your next bottle. I'm not a crackhead. Okay, so in this video, we're going to get into an interesting shop talk, okay? Now, this is like indirectly about relationships because it affects it, but these are the friends that are influencing you behind the scenes, okay? This is the reason why single friends most likely will keep your ass single. All right. This is a complex topic, okay? It gets deep, but we need to inspect the real reasons why your single friends may keep you single, okay? Number one is you ultimately become, girl, what you looking at? You ultimately become a product of your environment and the people that you are around. So if you are constantly around people who are single, most likely you would adopt their traits and, you know, birds of a feather flock together. But if you are constantly around married people, then you will adopt their traits and have different ideals and things like that. Like, I mean, that's just science. All right, so number one, a reason why your single friends may be keeping you single is your friend may be very superficial, okay? Meaning that she will not give a guy a chance unless he has a certain amount of money, unless he dresses a certain way, he talks a certain way, or he's just the ideal guy in her mind, okay? And she will keep passing up good men over and over and over again, not looking their way until she finds this superficial fairy tale ending of a man. Now, this is a problem, okay? A big problem, because let's say you come across a guy that is a gentleman, you know, he can sustain himself. I mean, he's not rich and he doesn't wear designer, but he has great character, you know, he's independent and he can actually spend a little bit of money on you to court you and date you. If he doesn't look like a rapper or look like a athlete or whatever your superficial ass friends believe a good partner is, they will down you for it and they will discourage you and be like, oh, he ugly. You finna talk to him? And they'll just be so negative and it can persuade you. And I have a perfect example of this toxic behavior, okay? So this happened like years ago, like when I was like fresh out of high school. So really liked this guy. He was just a good person. He was polite. I mean, he looked good to me, you know what I'm saying? Like he wasn't like looking like one of the popular guys, but I liked him and he liked me. So I sent a picture of him in a group chat with two of my friends. And, one of my friends was like, oh, like, y'all are cute, whatever. I like him for you. But the other friend never responded. And I was a little bit confused about that, but I didn't think too much of it, right? But later on, my friend ended up telling me that she went behind, I guess, the group chat that I added them in and basically was telling her, oh, he's not cute. Why is she talking to him? That's not gonna last. That's not her type. And I was just so disappointed in her because literally, simultaneously, as she said that, she was currently in a relationship that was super abusive. Like, she used to tell us that her boyfriend was hitting on her and stealing her stuff and dropping her off places and leaving her and like all this toxic shit. And I'm like, so she want me to date a guy that's cute but toxic? Oh, okay, cool. And another example that I have is one time, a long time ago again, I was with like three of my homegirls. Like we went to the strip club, we was drunk. And afterwards we walked out and I was talking to this guy. So one of my friends, I guess, I don't know what came over her, but her drunk ass took my phone and seen who I was talking to and was like, ew, why you talking to him? Like talking all this shit. Like, first of all, girl, calm down because you're not even like that. And number two, you're single. You're single. So why are you telling me who to talk to based on their looks? You don't even know this man. And basically, long story short, she's still single to this day. Okay, so that explains that. So anyways, that is my first example why single friends will keep you single, having a superficial, immature mindset. All right, another reason why single friends will keep your ass single is a lot of women nowadays, right? We've adopted a more masculine aura about us, something that we had to do because, growing up and systematic racism and just how Black people were set up in the country of America. A lot of women have to fend for themselves because Black men were not given the opportunity. They were not given the option of learning about wealth, learning about these things. Now we're learning about it because of the age of information and technology. But before, it was hard. So a lot of men, all they knew was hustle, get money and get money by all means, which was, could have been illegal ways. So a lot of guys were arrested. A lot of guys are in prison. A lot of our Black men are just confused and just lost. They don't know how to cultivate the land. We are completely taken out of our environment and put into the simulation, but that's a whole nother story. Okay. Long story short, a lot of women have this thing called quote unquote independent woman syndrome, which is basically the belief of, oh, you don't need a man because you can do it by yourself and you've been doing it by yourself. And if you ever needed help, you can just rely on the government. The reason why this mindset proves to be toxic time and time again is because, this is the city girl mindset of all women when they're in their 20s. But as women start to get older, 30s and 40s, your mindset will change. You will begin to long for a family, long for a husband, long for support. And when you realize that you have absolute no dating experience and you haven't took care of yourself, you just been drinking, smoking, treating your body like any old thing. And now you're not even cute enough to pull the way you've been pulling in your early 20s, baby, you in the danger zone. So because of this programming and the lack of awareness to reverse this, now we have friends around us that have this quote unquote independent woman syndrome that feel like men are basically disposable. So every 2 seconds, it's, oh, leave his ass. Oh, he didn't take you on vacation? Leave his ass. He didn't take you on a shopping spree? Leave his ass. Oh, he flirted with another girl? Leave his ass. Leave his ass. Leave his ass. And it's like, girl, You keep leaving his ass over and over again, and that's why you still single. So yeah, I'm sure we've all had some girlfriends around this that had that mentality, and honestly, it's really annoying. Like, that's why you really can't tell your friends, or at least, you know, the immature ones, what's going on in your love life, because most likely they're not gonna have the best advice. All right, wait. Look at this though. Okay, hairline, baby hairs, yes. All right, you guys, so I'm done with my shop talk, and this is the final result. Now, tell me what you guys think about what I said in the comments below. Now, Asteria hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video with this curly lace front unit. Now, if you guys want this exact wig, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later! And don't let your single friends keep you single, girl, okay? Do your research, learn about your femininity. Make sure you actually do research on marriages and how to maintain relationships, okay? Long-term relationships. It's a way to do it, and it's a way to use discernment too, so it gets deep. But yeah, don't pass up these quote-unquote average men, because there's a lot of average great men out there, okay?